All right, let's now get you the latest updates of what's happening really along the India-Pakistan border, with once again Pakistan resorting to more drone strikes. India has repelled another wave of Pakistani drones coming our way. 10 drones have been shot down in Gujarat and Rajasthan. So 10 drones in Gujarat, 10 drones in Rajasthan have been brought down. 15 in Amritsar alone. So it looks like 15 drones were directed towards Amritsar, civilian area. So again, Pakistan resorting to that same tactic. Besides that, also military bases being targeted once again by Pakistan, or at least attempting to target them. Drones have been sighted overall at 26 locations, ranging from Baramulla in the north right down to Bhuj in Gujarat, in the south of that entire border between India and Pakistan. So the international border, we've been seeing drone activity. Along the line of control also, there is drone activity. There is also suspected armed drones that were used by Pakistan this time, posing, of course, huge threats to civilian and military targets. I'll just run you through the locations where these drones were spotted and then shot down. Baramulla, Srinagar, Avantipora, Nagrota, Jammu, Ferozpur in Punjab, Pathankot in Punjab, Fazilka, Lalgarh, Jatta, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, Barmer, Bhuj in Gujarat, Corbett and Lakinala. These are the locations where, in fact, drone movement activity was spotted. An armed drone also targeted a civilian area in Ferozpur of Gujarat, resulting in severe injuries to members of a family. And now the confirmation coming in that all of those who've been injured have been provided medical assistance. The area has been sanitized by our forces. This is a statement that's coming from the army, and the army maintains they are maintaining at this point a high state of alert, and all such aerial threats are being tracked and engaged using counter-drone systems. The situation is under close and constant watch. Prompt action is being taken whenever necessary. The army in that statement has also said citizens, especially in border areas, are advised to remain indoors, limit unnecessary movement and strictly follow safety instructions issued by local authorities. There is no need to panic. I'll highlight that bit of the statement. No need to panic. Heightened vigilance and precaution are essential. So what we understand from the statement that's just come out is that at 26 locations, drones were spotted, Pakistani drones, all of them brought down, but for one incident in Ferozpur where you had a drone targeting a civilian area and unfortunately members of a family being injured in that particular incident. Let me bring in right now on this broadcast Mir Farid as well as Amit Bharadwaj for the latest on this. Amit, I'm going to come across to you first. We understand that now in this statement by the army, they've confirmed that 26 locations were where these drones from Pakistan were spotted. One incident being reported in Punjab that's worrying, Amit, right now.
Right, Akshata, day two, rather night two, and Pakistan is resorting to similar sinister plan that it had done last night as well. Across the India-Pakistan border, be it Gujarat, Rajasthan or Jammu and Kashmir or Punjab for that matter, drones are being used against Indian soil by the Pakistani forces. And this cannot be just a coincidence that smaller drones are being used. There could be a much bigger sinister plan which could be the reality of which might come out in the days to come. But for sticking to the facts right now, what we saw was there was an attempt in Srinagar as well. That has been successfully foiled by the security forces out here in Srinagar. In Baramulla, I personally have received several calls of concern. I'm not saying that these were calls of panic, because the individuals and civilians there as well have been trained and mentally prepared in the past few days, the way they have seen the cowardly attacks and the indiscriminate attacks that coming from the Pakistani side. So there are reports of drone elements also in Baramulla area, but the good news right now is that each of these drones has been dealt with by our security forces. Yes, there's an unfortunate incident that has been reported in Punjab's Firozpur, but medical attention is being given to the affected family. Back to you.
Let me just read out essentially what that statement says about what's happened in Firozpur. The message that's come in from the official statement is that of the 26 locations that were targeted, one was also in Firozpur of Punjab. And here's what the statement says. It says, and I quote, an armed drone targeted a civilian area in Firozpur, resulting in severe injuries to members of a local family. The injured have been provided medical assistance. The area has been sanitized by security forces. Those images on your screens is from Firozpur. Moments after the drone strike, we did access these pictures, and of course, we ensured that we didn't put it out immediately for security reasons. A delayed feed is what you're seeing there of the impact of that drone strike. And according to the army, this was an armed drone that targeted a civilian area in Firozpur. So let's be very clear here that Pakistan Army has been targeting civilian areas across the 3,000-kilometer stretch of the border that we share with them. Across that area, it's not just military establishments, but civilian settlements. Proof of that on your screens, where in Firozpur, an armed drone has targeted a civilian area. Unfortunately, there is news that severe injuries have also been sustained by members of a family who lived there. And that injuries, those who are injured have been shifted to a hospital. They're being provided all necessary care. So our prayers with them as well. I'll bring in Mir Farid also for the latest updates. Mir is reporting from Jammu and Kashmir. We're not revealing specific locations of our correspondents for their own safety and also because of the sensitivity of what we're reporting on.